You all, I made Mississippi Queen's green bean recipe. It went viral for her. They're that good. She says it tastes like Grandma's Southern, and she is exactly right. Are you ready? Let's go. I saw Mississippi Queen's recipe for down-home green beans, and I'm fixing to make that right now. I'm gonna serve this with the Swedish meatballs that I made, and that video I've already posted. And I've also posted a video for the blueberry coffee cake that's gonna come up as dessert with this whole meal. What you need are 2 big cans of green beans or 4 smaller cans, and I'm gonna use 4 smaller cans of green beans, open them and drain them. You all have an electric can opener? My mother had an electric can opener. It's still sitting over there at the house. Dad and Aunt Norma don't use it, but it's still sitting there. I've always used a manual can opener. And the way they make them nowadays, it's just really, really easy to use a manual can opener. So open up your green beans and then drain them real well and put them down in a pan. Dump all of those drained green beans into your pot, into your kettle, that's what we called it in Kentucky. And then you make yourself a hole in the middle of that and put you in a half a stick of butter. I'm using salted butter. And then you need 3 tablespoons of bacon up. If you don't have bacon up, you can use more butter, she says. So I'm gonna dig some out of there. Got 3 tablespoons. There we go. She says to add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and then salt and pepper. I have to go get it. Salt and pepper. Now I got all that in there, and I'm gonna take it over there and put it on the stove, and I'm gonna cook it until all of the liquid is gone. Now I know that we drained these, but she says that putting in this butter and this bacon up will add some moisture back in, and you want to cook it until there's no moisture left. Here we go. And this is what it's supposed to look like. You're supposed to get rid of all of that liquid. Wow, those smell good. Can't wait to taste them. Well, there they are. Mississippi Queen's Southern green beans. And I'm going to give them a taste right now. Here we go. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Those are amazing. And I plated it up with my easy Swedish meatballs recipe that I made, and I've already posted that video, so go look for that. These are amazing. These green beans are awesome. You need to make that. Yum. Easy Swedish meatballs and Mississippi Queen's recipe for green beans. Altogether, this is a wonderful meal. And you guys, you need to make that. You can find these recipes that I posted earlier. Yum. As always, you can find the full recipe pinned in the comments or in the video description.